Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working in your smartphone. So first thing is go to the settings and here search date and time. And here set correct date and time as per your country and region. Okay. And then try to connect your Wi-Fi. If this doesn't work, the second method is if you are using any VPN service, so then disable it. Okay. If this will work, the third method is turn on and turn off airplane mode. If this will work, the fourth method is go to the settings and here go to the Wi-Fi and here forget and reconnect your Wi-Fi and then try to connect your Wi-Fi. If this doesn't work, the fifth method is restart your Wi-Fi router. If this doesn't work, the sixth method is go to the settings and here system and updates, here backup and reset, here reset phone and here click on reset network and Bluetooth setting. Okay, do not click on reset all setting or etc anything. So I have shown 4 or 5 methods. Let me know in comment which method are helpful for you. So this is a simple video of how to fix Wi-Fi not working in your smartphone. So thanks for watching guys. See you next time. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.